Welcome to LayerNext. In this guide, we'll walk through the various ways you can capture and upload your receipts and invoices to keep your business finances accurate and up to date in real time. Method 1. Uploading receipts. To begin, click Attach and select the receipt you wish to upload from your computer. You have the option to add specific instructions for LayerNext, or you can simply send the document without any notes. Our AI is designed to handle the categorization and entry automatically. Once uploaded, please wait a moment for LayerNext to process the document. You are free to close this window while the system works. LayerNext will notify you as soon as the processing is complete. On occasion, the AI may ask a follow-up question if extra clarification is needed to ensure human-level precision. After processing, the system will present a transaction summary, including the precise category and all relevant financial info. If you have a large batch of documents, you can select and upload multiple files at once. LayerNext will process the entire group simultaneously to save you time. Once these receipts are uploaded, your QuickBooks account is updated instantly with the data correctly categorized. For your peace of mind and future reference, the original receipt is always retained within QuickBooks. Method 2. Capturing receipts with the LayerNext mobile app. Simply open the LayerNext app on your iOS or Android device. Tap the plus icon to attach files, then select Take a Photo. Once you've captured the image, tap to upload. You can also select existing files directly from your mobile device for a quick sync to your ledger. Method 3. Forwarding receipts. For a completely hands-off experience, you can use email forwarding. Navigate to your settings and select Email Inbox to find your unique LayerNext email address. Any receipts sent to this address are automatically updated in QuickBooks. You can even set up automatic forwarding in your own email provider to fully automate this process. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our next tutorials on bank reconciliation, multi-entity bookkeeping, and mastering your CFO dashboard. For more guides, visit our customer support at layernext.ai/support.